Hello uBlock readers. As a German-speaking person, I don't prefer to make English videos, but I would like to show you the new Philips Hue Sync TV app, which is available for Samsung TVs from 2022, starting with the model Q60, and this is exactly what we have here. And my setup is quite easy. We have two gradient sign table lamps and one Philips Hue Play light bar on the top, and behind me there's also Light Strip Plus because I already had it here. When you install the Philips Hue Sync TV app, you first have to pay 129.99 euros or US dollar, but you can try it for 14 days, and if you don't like it, you get your money back. What is important to know is that you buy a license which is paired to this TV. So if you change your TV or if you want to use it on another TV, you have to buy it again. I don't like that so much. It would be better if you can deactivate the app on this TV, and when you buy a new one in 3 years, that you can activate it on the new one. The setup is quite easy. It's familiar. You have the video mode, you have the game mode. You can adjust the intensity or the brightness, as you can see here, but I will put it to 100% because it's not that dark here. You also have on the top some kind of options. You can choose your entertainment area. You can activate automatic sync, which is quite nice because when you power up the TV, the sync will start automatically. But I know you want to see how the effect looks like, and therefore I found a nice YouTube clip with some colorful animations, and it starts with one color, but you can see how it fades through from red to yellow, and I think the next one is green. I think it's really nice and smooth, and the colors are quite accurate. And I will fast forward a bit to the color wheel because there you can see with the gradient lights it's really smooth. You have 2 or 3 colors at one time. The Play light bar isn't perfect because it only can show one color at one time, so maybe you should put a gradient tube or gradient light strip on top, or you can buy the Play gradient light strip, which will cover 3 sides of the TV. And what's the big difference to the sync box? That's very clear. It runs on the TV, so every app you use, internal apps, every HDMI device you use, Apple TV, PlayStation, Xbox, or even the internal TV signal, you can use it like you want. And I think that's just great. And for me, 130 euros is a fair price compared to the sync box, because sync box is like twice as much. The only thing Philips Hue should think about is the license stuff, that you buy it for this TV. I would recommend an option for them that you can deactivate it on one TV and activate it on another TV, maybe once or twice a year. That would be fair. Otherwise, you can try it for 14 days. And if you have a Samsung TV from 2022, I would say really try it out. It's really nice.